Are more vaccine mandates at work on the way?
Less than 24 hours after the FDA signed off on Pfizer, we're now getting word of some new requirements.
And employment law experts say they're really not surprised. Channel 3 Waterbury Bureau Chief Dennis Valera has that story from Waterbury Hospital, where there's actually a new vaccine mandate. Dennis, what's the latest there?
Aaron, the lawyer I spoke with earlier used the word emboldened to describe how employers feel about vaccine mandates, and the FDA approval has everything to do with it. While we've been seeing healthcare and education workplaces largely leading the charge, we should expect to see other industries do it soon too.
We want to get to 100% because then we really secure our staff, our families, and our patients.
Waterbury Health already has around 86% of its employees vaccinated against COVID, but they hope issuing a mandate gets them to 100%. While some still question the vaccine, they are not expecting much backlash.
We have the practice of mandating vaccinations for flu for everybody because we know how effective that is. So now we're simply just transitioning that over to the COVID infection as well, to prevent COVID from infecting our staff and so forth.
They hope FDA's approval of the Pfizer vaccine is enough to get the hesitant their shots.
Before the approval of the Pfizer vaccine, a lot of employers were nervous.
Sarah Westby is an employment law attorney with Shipman and Goodwin. She says many of her clients are ready to go with vaccine mandates because of the FDA's decision.
I think with the full approval, the employers have that comfort that this is something that's safe and they can rely on that advice, and they are a little bit less worried about that liability.
Westby also works with some unions who are not in favor of these mandates. She says when talking to employers, she says to prepare to vet medical and religious exemptions, as well as making accommodations to get the shot.
Some of the things that we've been advising our clients on are providing sick days, to take the vaccine and to recover from any symptoms, paid time off, those kind of things.
Now, for those who get exempt from a vaccine mandate, Sarah Westby says employers have every right to subject those employees to things like testing, and that's what Waterbury Health is doing with its exempt employees. Live here in Waterbury, Dennis Valera, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.